Hello everyone. Today we're going to use outdoor PoE devices and install a non-PoE device to our PoE system over 100 meters. So there are a lot of information in this video, and first of all, since we're going to use all PoE devices, we can take a look at these three in the front. They look really similar. There are the PoE injector, a PoE-Extender, and a PoE splitter. They look really same, so how should we tell from which is which? So first, the PoE injector. Let's think about its functions. It injects power to our Ethernet cable. So we have a port for Ethernet, a port for PoE, and a port for power going in. So you can see right here, this is a port for the DC power input, 24 to 56 volts. You can see it right here. So then here it has a PoE plus, which is the PoE, and one is for the data. So you can imagine the data goes from here and the PoE goes out from here. The power goes in from here. So this is a PoE injector. Here is the second device. It has PoE in and PoE out. So basically a PoE in and out device. That is a PoE-Extender, of course. And this one has two output ports. And then our third device has a DC output, so this means the power will go out from here, and then it's a PD in, which is power and data comes in from here, basically PoE signals, and data out. So there will be data going out from this port. So power out of here, data out of here. This is a PoE splitter. So we're going to use these to create the connection over 100 meters for our non-PoE PTZ camera right here. And it would be really easy, but everybody has to make sure they watch closely. So the PoE injector, we need power and our main network's data. Right here I have an Ethernet cable connecting to our main network. So we'll go to our data port. And here is our power cable for this PoE injector. After I put it in, power going through. So after this, we will now receive power, and now let's connect it to our extender. So the PoE plus will connect it with an Ethernet. And then when the PoE-Extender, it will receive the data at the PoE port. So the PoE in will connect with our PoE injector. So our extender will receive PoE signals. And then we will use another Ethernet cable to connect our extender to our PoE splitter. So here we have PoE signals here going through this extender, through this Ethernet cable, and when it comes to this PoE splitter, we'll go through the PD in. And then they will receive power and data at this point. It will split the power and data to separate power and separate data, which will need a power cord and an Ethernet cable. And on our PTZ camera, there is a power cord and an Ethernet cable port. And if we connect it, we'll just wait for our PTZ camera to turn on. So now let's just wait for our PTZ camera to activate. Now it's self-checking itself. And this whole connection is complete. We can watch our PTZ camera's image on our network video recorder and our monitor. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the section below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.